Hey there, it's Lou St. George. I'm bringing you to a project that we did, I think in 2007 or 8. This is a 55 unit apartment building. It's rentals, so this is a commercial job. Sometimes people ask, do you guys do commercial work? And the answer is yes. We've done a lot of apartment renovations. We've done, I think, one hotel, and we've also done a lot of work for assisted living renovations. And various other warehouses, etc. So yes, we do office buildings. So we've done a bunch of commercial renovations. Anyway, I wanted to bring you here because when we did this property back in 2006, that's just when YouTube was getting popular, but it wasn't so much popular with us contractors. Like, we didn't take a lot of pictures and videos and all that stuff. So I just wanted to document a project that we did. Here's the backstory on this. The owner purchased this property. It was a condo conversion that went belly up. So he bought it, maybe it was a foreclosure, I don't recall. And he said, hey Lou, can you get this permitted and take care of the drawings? Get it set so we can permit it, do everything legally, finish the project and get it rented out. So what I handled, I worked with the architect, got everything drawn up, got it permitted, did a lot of work. Nothing like impressive in a visual sense. We had to do a lot of, it was old electrical systems. We had to replace all that. There was all new windows. We put in all new windows. We had to fix some plumbing issues, a lot of plumbing issues, mechanical issues. I think they were primarily for the dryers, and then we had to vent the dryers properly. Yeah, this place does have central air. Yeah, we had to do mechanical. Yeah, so we had to do all I call it the main food group, MEP, mechanical, electric, plumbing, and the structure was actually the smallest percentage of the work that we did. So anyway, we took care of it, got it permitted, and closed the permits, and he's owned this for, 17 years, and done well with the building. But anyway, so the reason I'm here today is not just to do the video, but they had an issue with some open permits, not work that I did, but they got a little complex. It's the well and sprinklers and all that. So I'm here to take care of that. And that's the story for the day. We do commercial work.